Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with really big or really tiny numbers in Google Sheets, you've probably run into scientific notation. You know, those numbers that pop up as something like 6.02e plus 23 instead of showing every single zero. Maybe you love it, maybe you're a bit confused by it, or maybe you just want to switch back and forth when you need to. Well, today I'll walk you through exactly how you can turn scientific notation on and off in Google Sheets, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to format your data so your numbers look exactly the way you want, whether you're working on a school lab, financial calculations, or just organizing some really big data. Let's dive right in. First, you need to select the data that you want to format. This can be a single cell, a whole row, a block of numbers. It's completely up to you. Just click and drag to highlight whatever range you're interested in. Now, don't worry if you accidentally select too much or too little. You can always adjust your selection at any time. Think of this like telling Google Sheets, hey, I want to talk to this stuff right here. Once you've got your numbers selected, head up to the Format tab at the very top of your screen. If you're new to Google Sheets, the Format tab is kind of like your personal styling toolbox. It's where you can tweak how your data looks and behaves. Give that a click, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll see an option labeled Number. Hover over that or click it, and you'll get a bunch of different formatting choices like currency, percent, date, and what we're looking for today, scientific. Go ahead and click on Scientific. Instantly, your numbers are reformatted to use scientific notation. So for a huge number like 5,600,000, you might see it change to 5.66. This isn't just a weird way to write numbers. It's actually super useful for handling really big or really small values like those you might see in science or engineering. Scientific notation makes your data more readable and easier to compare side by side. It's like turning a long, winding road into a nice, neat highway. But sometimes you just want to see the whole number all spelled out. Maybe you're preparing a budget or printing out a report and you want everyone to see those full numbers. No problem. To switch back, just reselect the same data or any numbers currently in scientific notation and return to the Format tab at the top. Again, drop down to Number and this time choose Number instead of Scientific. Your numbers will snap right back to their usual display with every digit in place. If you don't see a change right away, don't panic. Sometimes sheets may hold on to formatting, especially if the column isn't wide enough to show the full number. All you need to do is drag the edge of the column header to widen it, and your numbers will reappear as expected. And that's really all there is to it. You now have full control over how your numbers appear in Google Sheets. You can flip between scientific notation and regular numbers whenever you need. Remember, this little formatting trick can make your data much easier to work with depending on your project. If this walkthrough was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment if you have any questions or cool use cases, and of course, subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.